Hi guys, it's me Christina, and today I have a new box for you guys. It is called Fashom. It's like a clothing box. So they tell you and then they will gonna send you the pieces, the ones that you picked out. So I'm gonna tell you guys about the Fashom so that you have an idea. So Fashom is an online service. It is similar to Stitch Fix if you're familiar with that. So the stylist will send you the items to review, from which you select 5 items to be shipped to your doorstep. Shipping and returns are free. There is a $15 styling fee that gets charged upfront that can be applied to the items you purchased. You have only 3 days to try everything on and decide what to keep. If you keep at least 3 items, you get a discount of 25% off what you keep. A new subscription is required. So currently Fashom has a special offer. So the first 2 sessions are styled for free, just like what I got. So they send me this Fashom for free. So let's go ahead and see what we get. So here's the box, guys. So let's go ahead and open this box and we'll see what we get. So here's what it looks like inside when you open it up. And then they do have a prepaid mailer, this one. So once if you decided to not keep the items, so you can return the items and you're gonna use this. And then a packet of information, and it says hello beautiful. So let's take a look at the bundle, guys. So here it is. Here's the bundle, guys, and this is the items that I got. So let's go ahead and open this. First item that I got is this sweatshirt. It's a black color and it has a design in both sides. This one, I really like the clothing, guys, because it's soft and stretchable. That I got is this clothes right here. I really like the clothing because it's very comfy and it's stretchable. And this one, guys, it has a style here. You can adjust if you want to wear this, fit on you. And this is the front side, guys. It's really beautiful. Third item that I got is this sweatshirt, and I love the color, guys, and the clothing as well is very comfy and it's stretchable. So I might gonna keep this for me. So the fourth item that I got is this polo shirt right here, guys. I really like the clothing because it's very soft and comfy to wear. and at the back side it has a lace, so you can adjust right over here. So this one I'm gonna keep it. The last item that I got is this sweatshirt. I really like the color, guys, and the clothing as well, because it's soft and comfy. And this is the front side, guys. It has a style here. I really like the style, so I think I'm gonna keep this. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna decide how many items that I want to keep for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.